What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our day at Fleet Pride. I just picked up my TerraStar here. I am sitting in the parking lot still. I've actually been here for about a half hour, maybe a little bit longer. We came to pick this up. They actually did the inspection a day early for us, but the batteries were dead when I went to start it. So we had to get a battery charger out here and charge this thing for a little bit. But we got it running and we have a new state inspection. So time to hit the road and get back to our Dutchess yard. Ricky! Yeah. Hey, let me park mine where let me park this one where the yellow one is.
Okay.
Because it might die again.
Okay.
You know, and then if it dies, we can leave it there. So
okay.
Let me pull out. You pull up there, and then I'll back there.
No,
and
just back a little bit. And get coming and see.
Oh.
Just back and see.
And I'll go where you are. Alright guys, so Rodrigo is up by the garage up there pressure washing the two TerraStars. He's got mine and the new yellow one that I gave you guys a sneak peek of the other day. But I have this snowblower here connected to the Toolcat now. If you've been following my channel for a while now, at least a year, you may remember I talked about a broken fitting on here, which is behind this rubber glove. We put this glove on here just to catch all the oil. Doesn't look like it's really doing much. There's definitely some in the fingers. That looks more like water. But anyway, this hasn't really been used because the fitting is snapped. There's a, I don't know which one's the feed or the return, but there is a fitting that's supposed to be somewhere up here. I don't know. Yeah, let's take this off. I guess the fitting's out actually. Rodrigo must have taken it out at some point, but I got the new one, so let's throw that on real quick and then we will test this. Blower is working, which we didn't have an issue with. Let's test the, well actually, it's the chute up and down. So I think I need to put it on our other Toolcat. I had this issue last year with this. I'll show you guys real quick. So once you, actually the armrest has to be down, turn the aux on, pull the trigger, the snowblower works. In order to spin the chute, use this arrow here, but I'll try and get both in the shot. The right, to spin it back right, does nothing. To spin it left, it works, but you can't get it to spin back. So that's the issue, and I can't get the angle of where you're throwing your snow to move at all. None of these other switches do anything. So let me disconnect this. We'll go grab the other Toolcat and try it out on that one. Beautiful. Everything is working fine. It doesn't look like anything is dripping here. We should be good to go. Completely dry. So that is it for this one. We're going to take lunch right now and then get back to work. We just locked the brakes again though now. Alright guys, so I didn't record any of this, but before I make a full video on this new TerraStar rod, we go through this plow on it. So I just wanted to show you guys this real quick, and we'll actually hop in and test it out. He also ran the chain on stupid sensor watch. Still beeps even with the door shut. He also ran the chain on this spreader. This is a pretty neat chain. They have like actual chain link welded in here to help grab the salt rather than just these bars, which is like your typical chain. But anyway, let's hop in here, start this thing up. PTO. I got no power here. Oh, that's the dump. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, super smooth. Good speed and everything too. Here, I'll try and set this camera up somewhere. See if I can grab it on a branch or something. Put this branch right here. So that truck works super nice. It's gonna beep like this for a couple minutes. There's something wrong with one of the sensors. It's like it thinks your door's open even though the door is not. But that truck is pretty much done for now. We have this Western plow. We have to load in the bed of this mason dump. This is the plow for the one, it's actually the truck that one replaced. The one in our shop that Matt just buttoned up. We're putting this plow on it. We're selling that truck with the salt spreader that's on it, this plow, as a complete package, $10,000. If anybody watching this is interested, I'm gonna make a video. Once that truck is all put back together, we'll take it for a little ride and I'm gonna make like a little for sale video. But Rodrigo's just washing a few things. The one truck we pulled out a couple of the new plows. See, now that truck stopped beeping. But he's just washing a couple things there. I'm gonna throw this plow in the mason dump, and I think that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.